Gonna show how to assemble teardrop chandeliers. First of all, I'm gonna show how to put the pin on each glass. There is a hole in the glass, you just put it through the hole and you bend one side as much as you can. As you see, it becomes this shape. The next step is I'm gonna show you how to hang it on a chandelier. I'm gonna make another video for that. On the previous video I show how to put the pin on each glass. Now we're gonna start hang each glass onto the chandeliers. The best way to do that is start right from the top pin. You put it through the ring and just bend the pin again. Then the next step is you count 1, 2, 3, 4 ring and put your glass onto the fifth one. I'm gonna put the second one in now. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a bit difficult now because I already assembled the chandeliers, but it's much easier when you just start from the beginning. Now my chandelier is done. It will look like this. The way I do it, and I think the easier way is when you start from the middle chain and start putting all your glasses into one chain all the way around. Once you complete, go on to the second one, go on to the third one, but make sure you finish it all the way around completely. If you try to do the first row all the way around, it will be a bit difficult for you. But if you do chain by chain all the way around, that will be very easier.